park in. It's not the fuel stop. Now you park in the gas station, but they won't let me let the trucks just park out here.
Okay.
So I'm just saying. Anyway, I got to tell this other young man. I didn't see him because he was behind that other truck.
Okay.
All right, thank you, man. There on concrete, you can park any place.
Yeah. So you work here?
Yeah.
How much is it for
the truck drivers? It's $65 out the door, tax and all.
Okay.
Just keep that in mind if you need us.
Okay.
All right, my friend. Thank you.
Man, y'all ain't even gonna believe what did happen. I done lost my damn my gas cap. I'm down here, not quite to Dallas, but about 20 miles away, and I done left my gas cap 30 miles this way, 30 east, hopefully. I know it is. I went to the goddamn gas pump, didn't even need no gas. But the gas was a 463. And I was like, I gotta give me some of that gas. I gotta give me some $4.63 gas. Went to the pump, and my card declined. I was like, man, fuck it. And I just left. But forgot I took the gas cap off already. I go down here, 30 West, I find a hotel, 2 nights, $130. I really didn't want to spend that money, to be honest. But at the same time, it's hot. It is hot as hell. But bottom line, man, I lost my damn gas cap, man. So now I'm trying to go back. Remember, I know it was at a QT Quick Trip. And I know the Quick Trip was beside a hotel. It should be about 30 miles. The reason why I know, because I had about 50 something miles to Dallas to go. But then at the hotel I only had 20 miles to go. So you know it's 30 miles back this way. And I'm literally just freestyling. Just going back. But the good thing of it is that the hotel is on this side of the street. Now, will I be able to get off on the right exit? I doubt it. They got some funny exits right here in this area, kind of like how they were in Arkansas that I liked, kind of like the racetrack pit lane. But the thing about it is, you gotta get off on the exit and then drive a little bit before you get to where you need to go. And that's the point. I know that it's a good chance I'm not going to see it from the distance. I'm not going to see it far enough away to be able to exit out. But anyway, man, if you do get the rental truck, because that's the thing I knew right off top, but I was like, man, I'm not going to forget no gas cap. The gas cap didn't have no, it had a chain, but not the piece that actually holds it in there. So man, am I pissed. I know I gotta go water twice. I already went over the water just now. I got to go over the water again. But man, and that's why I was like, I know it's not like I can go into an auto zone, which I ain't seen one anyway, but it's not like I can go to an auto zone and pick up one of these gas cans. Didn't find the motherfucker. My last hope really is at the exit. And I'm trying to remember if I heard any sounds. Believe it or not, it's not my first time losing some part of a vehicle. I've been able to recall it because I heard it fall. Or like sometimes walking, sometimes I walk and I drop something. And a lot of times I think I dropped something. Like when I drop it, I think and I check or I hear something. I feel like it sounds like something failed, and at the time I don't see nothing. That's the fucking thing. It's so round. I mean, this motherfucker will fall and roll for 100 miles. Well, guys, didn't find it. Stopped at a couple of truck stops. Don't sell them, which really makes me feel like an idiot, because evidently this don't happen a lot. It's definitely not their best seller. Y'all, what the hell I did?
Put the goddamn peanut cap on there. Hey, that's gonna have to do.
God damn. I got it fucked up again. Driving this big ass truck like it's a goddamn sedan. I don't know whether I want to go 30 east. But there go my hotel right there. Man, don't look like I'm gonna be able to make it, but Discovery Inn. That's it. So now what I gotta do is discover how to get back over on the other side. I'm here in my hotel room. I can't say it's the worst. But it was $65, $130 for 2 nights, no taxes. I got it for the
internet, but the internet keep fading in and out. But you know, they got us shower. It got a shower, man, but I'm telling you, I'm terrible at picking these hotels, but it's about 20 miles from my pickup. I mean, not my pickup, but my drop off. It's about 20 miles. I'm actually not in Dallas. I forgot exactly what part of Dallas this is, but that's I-30 right there, and that's the road that I need to be on Monday. And I don't know, probably 20 minutes and I'll be at my first drop. I actually got 3. I thought I had 2, but it's actually 3, but they all close together. I'm figuring in 2 hours I should be done, and then just try to get something up out of here. It's not a bad looking place from the outside. The outside would definitely fool you. I was kind of wondering why it was only 65, but it had a place for me to park the truck, and that was important. A place to park the truck securely.
And it's very, they're close to the top of the door.
Yeah.
So you almost got to bring it straight out. Yeah.
Two crates or the big box too?
These two right beside each other.
Okay. Not the big box.
What big box?
Over there.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Alright, man, I'm here at my first drop in Dallas, Texas. I don't even have a job after my 3 drops here. These two of them in Dallas and one in Denton, Texas. So I've already been on the load board, DAT load board, trying to get a load, man. I'm gonna tell you guys right off top now. Of course, your young authority is going to be hard. Excuse me. But whatever you do, man, don't even sign up for TQL. they're a ripoff. These guys tried to give me 3 drops. I don't even remember where it was, man. But basically today is Monday, and they talking about the last drop is Thursday. First of all, they give me all these, pick up at 10 a.m. Then one drop is gonna be here, one drop is gonna be there, one drop is gonna be there. Bottom line, it's about like 1,000 miles, but it's taking up your whole week. It's taking up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I told him I'll do it for $3,000. Then he's gonna say, well, can you do it for 2,000? And then it's gonna say, well, actually more like 1,800. 1,800. First of all, the 1,000 miles really ain't worth 1,800 if it was 2 days. But I could have lived with that. But then I have to sit up here and hold this stuff for 4 days. Pretty much take up your whole week. Basically what they telling you, we want you to drive 1,000 miles and use up your gas. We know that 1,000 miles is gonna cost you about $600. They may not know that, but the 1,000 miles is gonna cost you about $600 in fuel. Not even counting the rental truck, which I can already tell you is basically 147 times 4, whatever that is. But just to round it off, that's about 600. Then plus your insurance, which is around $32 a day, so for 4 days. Let's just round it off and say another 120. And then if you get any hotels, I mean, that's like zero profit. It's like working for free, man. And I done called TQL several times, and all they stuff has been ridiculous. Shocking ridiculousness. Don't fool with them. Don't even waste your time. Don't waste your time. Especially if you're getting into this business. Because we have to make them respect us or make them fold, make them get out of the business. Because one thing, they taking all the loads. They're all up and down the load board, man, but they do not pay. You can't survive. You might as well stay working for somebody else. Go work at McDonald's or somewhere than to do a load for TQL. It is a crying shame, man. I thought it would get better. I thought first time it was maybe just this particular load, but I done tried calling them about 3 times, and man, every time, man, it's just ridiculous. And if you're trying to get in, I'd rather do a double broker. Double brokers pay more, if they pay, but they pay more than TQL. So that's really what just a little short clip was about. Is, man, don't get excited about TQL. Don't even sign up for TQL, because TQL is messing up the business. They messing up the business. They taking these loads and they trying to get you to do them. I mean, to literally, if I would have took that load, I probably would have made maybe at best $200 over 4 days. Don't fool with them. Or to bring it down about $50 a day. I mean, that's what I would have made, about $50 a day. Don't fool with them. And all they loads been ridiculous like that. All they loads kind of been around the same thing. I know one time they wanted me to go somewhere up in Colorado, which is hard to get back out of. And it was like 2,600 miles for like $1,400. Which is just as ridiculous. 1,500. It's gonna cost me about close to 900 in gas. And then that's going to be about a 4-day job, maybe 5. Don't fool with them, man. We got to run them out of business. We got to make them respect us and give us fair prices because they're making a killing. That's the point. It's not like they're accepting the loads really, really cheap. They're not. They're accepting the loads. They're getting the same prices all the other brokers get. But they're really trying to get rich off us. And TQL, Total Quality Logistics, ain't no quality in they pay. We need to run them out. We need to make them respect us. Don't work for them. I'm just telling you. I mean, you do what you want to do, but you in the wrong business. It don't matter if you own your truck. You ain't gonna make no money through them. So that's it, man. Just do it. I got a delivery for you guys.
You got an air conditioner.
I don't know what it is, but I tell you, it was hard to find this place.
Hard to find this place?
Yeah, man. I drove around for about an hour and a half.
God damn. It's all over the front of the building, big old sign on the building up front.
I know, the GPS, man, it kept...
It's seeing you all over the goddamn world, want it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna bring you back. You need to take the forklift out there and grab it.
All right.
Okay? They'll sign that for you when it's out there. I can sign it right now if you want me to.
Good morning. I think it's an exhaust or something like that. All right. Oh.
Mine, bud.
All right. You need a copy of this?
Yeah,
I got another copy in the truck.
Just make sure you give it to that driver.
Okay. Copy. with the lock. Hey, I've got a delivery. Excuse me, sir. I got a delivery.
Okay, what you got?
It's some type of duct work or something.
Oh, curbs. Okay. Where you at?
I'm right
there?
Yeah, right over there.
Papeleo y todo, tú ya tienes otro terreno, o sea, todo eso, o sea, las taxas que debes, o sea.
Oh boy. Burger King. I hope they come on, man, so I can try to find something else.
gonna come and get it off my truck?
What?
I'm still waiting to get it off my truck.
Okay, he's coming around. They just carried in those others.
Okay.
You're in the budget truck?
Yeah.
He'll be there.
Huh?
I'll be over there in a minute.
Hey! Fucking handle, man. You bent my handle.
My bad.
Here we go, guys. I am in Grand Prairie, Texas. It's like right around 3 o'clock p.m. I had a real hard time finding something after I made my 3 drops today. Had a real hard time finding something, and this ain't nothing pretty, man. This is this here. So that 3rd drop officially ended my 2nd week over the road. It spanned over 7.5 days. I finished up around 10:30 a.m. Monday and started looking for other jobs for my 3rd week, and I managed to find something. But like I say, it was not pretty at all. But you definitely have to tune in for my 3rd week over the road. Very interesting, very interesting. But until then, man, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and just do it.